in time flies.
Hydraulic fluid in it.
Alright, I heard something sounded like it broke on the other side.
Yeah, he always breaks. He broke his hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic fluid.
So far,